Hi, I'm Ruben and this is Lambweigh, the integrated weighing system for newborn lambs. One of the key advantages of a system such as this compared to other systems is that it is small, light and portable, and weighing and data collection can be carried out in the field. This device contains an integrated load cell, and during weighing it can either be held by this handle here or hung from a hook. It also contains an RFID reader module for reading the EID tags or electronic identification tags attached to the lambs. Once all the required data has been collected, it can be transferred to a computer. On the side here is a plug for a USB cable. Now I'm going to give a brief overview of how it works. I'll switch on the device with the switch on the bottom. So after it's turned on, we can see the main menu. Switch between the various menu icons with the star and hash key. Now I'm going to select weigh by pushing the 0 key. Now I'm going to zero the scales by pushing the 0 key again. Now I've got a lamb here, and as I put it in the bucket, I'm going to press C to read the EID tag. Optimum read distance is achieved when the tag is lying flat and parallel with the rim of the bucket. So as I put it in, I'll press C. If the read fails, I'm going to put it in closer to the rim of the bucket and try again. So you can see there the number on the tag. So I'm going to put the lamb in the bucket now and press one of the gender keys. In this case I'm going to press U. Now this is shown here some of the data that this device can collect. So now I'm going to enter the Dame ID with the keypad. Now I don't have one available here, so I'm just going to make one up. I'm going to press B, which is down. Now this is the letter size, which is 1, and down the bottom is the EID tag number which was read before. A and B are the up and down keys. After I'm done, I'm going to press C, which is next. Now after this, you'd normally take the lamb out and push 0 to zero the scales and do the next lamb. However, I'm only going to do one lamb. But what I'm going to do is press D to exit back to the main menu. Pushing the hash key once will select the connect mode. This mode is for connecting the device to a computer. If you push it again, it will select the settings mode. By pushing 0, you can go in and change some settings on the device. The top one is the sound, and this can be turned on and off by the hash and star keys. The contrast can also be set, and again these keys can increase it or decrease the contrast of the display. The auto erase feature can be useful if you want to erase all the data that is stored on this device after it has been transferred to a computer. If you push the B key to scroll down, an option is available to turn off the splash screen, which appears when you turn the device on. If you push D, it will exit back to the main menu. The data mode is not implemented. Now I'm going to turn the device off with the switch on the bottom. I'm also going to unplug the coil for the RFID reader module. This just plugs into the bottom here. I'm going to take this off. So next I'll be transferring the data that was collected onto a computer. Over here I've got a USB cable, so I'm going to plug one end of it into the device on the plug that's on the side. The other end will be plugged into the computer. So now I'm going to run the software. The software is pinned to my taskbar, so I'll open it now. I'm also going to turn on the device. Once the software has started up, push connect. This device acts as a virtual COM port. On my computer it has come up as COM3, shown there. On the device, select Connect mode and push 0 to enter it. Now I'm going to connect to the device by pushing Connect on the software. I'm going to select the import tag and give this data a name. I'm going to call it sample. Now what I'm going to do is press the import button. Here it says waiting for the device. So on the device I'm going to push C, which is for transfer data. Now I'll push OK. Over here all the data that was on the device is shown in a table. This data includes the ID number stored on the lamb's tags, the gender, the weight, the mother's ID and the litter size. This entry selected here is all the data from the lamb we just weighed. From here, all this data that was stored on the device could be saved as a spreadsheet or printed. All the technical details about the device and its construction are contained on the disk provided, as well as instructions on how to use it. This is the end of my presentation. Thanks for watching.